Hello students, welcome to Competitive Exam Library YouTube channel. Today we are going to see another problem based on the block diagram reduction which is given in the previous papers. See this problem. So here it is given R of S and you have summing point here and here also summing point. Here also three summing points are there and G1, G2, H1, H3, G3 and H2. So first I am going to separate these two summing points. If you see here the summing points here. So if you start from this summing point, it will travel to G1, then H1, then H3, then it is connected. So here we are having plus and minus here. So it will get multiplied, then you are going to get here minus here. So another also is there. You see from this summing point, that is G3, H2, that is minus H3, minus into minus will become plus here. So let us separate those two summing points so that we will get some idea. Let us draw the diagram with that. Okay. Now we are separated these two. So now you are separated these two, but here there is a problem will be there. So if you observe here, this there is a G1 and G2. You can take it as parallel, but because of presence of this takeoff point, so they are not becoming the feedback elements. So that means parallel elements. So we will reduce that. We will do one thing for that purpose. So what we can do, we are going to shift this takeoff point. If I shift this takeoff point to here, if I shift the takeoff point here, then what will happen? That is not going to be a problem for that, so that they will become the parallel. So G1 and G2 will become the parallel. That we will do in the next step. Now if you observe this, these two are in parallel, so you can reduce very easily. So these two are in parallel, and the same thing you can take here also. These two are also in parallel, so these two are connected in parallel here also. So we can reduce that in the next step. So first we will reduce. Whenever you reduce this, the answer we will write it as, we will write the answer here only. So what is the answer you are going to get by reduction? G1 plus G2, because these two are connected in parallel. So and here you will have one gain, and it is a feedback elements of H1, H3. So let us write that both. So in the next step, what we can write? So we can write that is in the next step. So these two are feedback also. So you have one feedback path also here. So you have one feedback path here. Let us write this answer also here only. So what you are going to get, the thing will be 1 by 1 plus, that is 1 into H1, H3, G1. Why we are getting G1? Because we are shifted this takeoff point to here. So that you are going to get now. So the answer will be 1 by 1 plus H1, H3, G1. So that is the answer for this, and this is the answer for this. So let us write that in the next step. So now you can observe So here you are having all these things. So these three are in how they are connected, they are connected in series. So if you reduce that, what you are going to get the answer. So I will write the answer here. It is G2 plus G3, sorry, G1 plus G2, G1 plus G2 into G3 whole divided by 1 plus H1 H3 G1. This is the series because they are all connected in series. If you more simplify, that is G1 G3 plus G2 G3 whole divided by 1 plus H1 H3 G1. So for this is a feedback element. So for this, that is a feedback element. Let us solve that also. If you have that feedback element, so what will happen? So you can take, that is, I will write here, if you take that as a feedback, G1 G3 plus G2 G3 whole thing divided by 1 plus H1 H3 G1 whole divided by 1 minus you are going to get, because it is having a plus sign here. So what you are going to get, 1 minus whole thing G1 G3 plus G2 G3 whole divided by 1 plus H1 H3 G1 into, that is answer will be H2 H3. So you have to multiply H2 and H3 also. So now you take LCM, the numerator and the denominator, it is getting multiplied here. So if you take LCM and denominator, it will get cancelled. Let us write that step in the next page. So this is the transfer function of the given block diagram. So final answer we can write C of s divided by R of s is equals to, that is G1 G3 plus G2 G3 whole divided by, we can write the same answer, that will be what you are going to get, 1 plus H1 H3 G1 minus G1 G3 H2 H3 minus G2 G3 H2 H3. So this is the final answer which is of the given transfer function. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, please make comment in the comment box. I can reply. Thank you very much.